My name's Alex Kaufman here in Austin, Texas with Teifke Real Estate, aka Opportunity City. And today I'm going to dive into the cost analysis of living in Austin versus living in Round Rock, Texas. Round Rock, Texas is just north of Austin. I am a native Austinite, lived here my entire life, but currently I live in Round Rock and I really love living in Round Rock due to the affordability and many other things. Today I'm going to tell you the numbers only of living in Austin, buying a home in Austin, renting in Austin versus doing the same thing in Round Rock. Are you thinking about buying a home in Austin, Texas right now? Well, good luck, because it is crazy. The market's gone insane and there's very low inventory. Houses are going into many multiple offers, and asking price is about $200,000 below of what the house actually sells for. So you got a ton of competition and you're gonna be competing with a lot of people to try and buy the same house. Average home price in Austin, Texas is $337,000. Average home price in Round Rock, Texas is $242,000. So if you're looking to buy, it's well worth the 20-minute drive to live in Round Rock and drive to Austin for work if you have to. Average rent in Austin, Texas is around $1,500 a month, while the average rent in Round Rock, Texas is about $1,300 a month. You're gonna be saving $200 a month for technically the same quality of living that you would have in Austin. And if you need to go to places in Austin, whether it's work or for play or for, nightlife and enjoyment, all you gotta do is just drive 20 minutes down Mopac or I-35. This isn't meant to deter you from living or moving to Austin, Texas. If you can afford it, to each its own. If you want to know my favorite things about Austin, Texas or Round Rock, Texas, click this link right here. It'll take you to a previous video that we've done. I personally love living in Round Rock. Round Rock is in the middle of everything Austin MSA. We got Austin 20 minutes south, we got Georgetown 20 minutes north, we got Hutto 20 minutes east, and we've got Cedar Park and Leander 20 minutes west. I love being in Round Rock. It's a great place to raise a family. Obviously we're a little biased, but I'll let you make the decision. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.